Yeah, once again, welcome to this marvelous YouTube channel. This is Steven. Hi everyone, hope you're doing well. Thank you for following and sharing these videos. So today we shall be continuing with um, search strategies. So recently we talked about the introduction of search strategies and how to use the main keys, the concept keys. So today we shall be continuing with one of the keys of search strategies. So if you are to recall, this was the blatant list of the search strategies we have to follow when assuming a research or to find out something. So we said we have to use specific keys, keywords when trying to analyze information. So we said that if you want to analyze some information, like in researching domestic violence in Africa, one of the concept keys, the specific keywords were domestic violence and Africa. Domestic violence and Africa. Those were the specific keywords in that statement. So now today we are continuing with this blatant list. So we are going to learn now using Boolean operators. What are Boolean operators so far? So today we shall be continuing with this presentation. So today we're learning how to use Boolean operators. So here are the Boolean operators. I'm saying use operators like and, or, and not to combine or exclude terms, refining or broadening your search. What does it mean? So they're saying that we should use these operators and, or, not to combine, to exclude terms, to refine or broadening. It means that to scope out something that's cool and broadening a matter. So here to explain these operators, they're saying that and, the and operator, ensures all terms appear. To ensure that terms appear, this means you are summing up some terms. Steven and Mr. Odeke Julius Peter have summed up those two names. So this operator and sums all terms to appear together. So the operator or retrieves results containing any of the terms. Broader search, in bracket broader search. So now for this term, for this operator or, to retrieve results containing any of the terms, it means you are suggesting this or this. You are suggesting either of the sides. So this term, it is trying to retrieve the results outcoming in the terms outlined. So for the operator not, the operator not excludes specific terms to avoid irrelevant results. So assuming you have a research work, you are excluding something out of the statement. Of course, you will say this, but not this. So using the operator not to exclude a specific term to avoid irrelevance. Because now if you don't put not, you find that the information is irrelevant according to how you want to output it. So they're saying that domestic violence and Africa. This operator and retrieves results containing both terms. So it's like now, as I told you, earlier I told you that we are summing up two terms or and more. Violence, domestic violence and Africa. So for the term, for this operator or, domestic violence or gender inequality, this retrieves results with either term. It means these two terms are relevant. They are correlated. Domestic violence or gender inequality. It means now these two terms are related, are the same, are pointing to the same goal. Because now domestic violence and gender inequality, it means if violence is against men, it means there's no gender inequality in men. It means the women are overpowering men. Because these days, it's really the men who are weak. So as we continue, they're saying that domestic violence not peace and security. So for the operator note, it is trying to exclude the results focused on peace and security. For now, we are talking about domestic violence. So now we're excluding this term, peace and security. Domestic violence is not attached to peace and security. Domestic violence, it is just disagreeing on the agreements between a partner, people who are cohabitating. So there's nowhere we can connect domestic violence and peace and security. So we're saying domestic violence, not peace and security. So we're excluding terms. So those how our operators are working. So far, that's how to use the Boolean operators. So we shall be continuing in our next videos. Thank you for watching. So that's how to use the Boolean operators when using the search strategies. See you next time.